Every year, we celebrate Independence Day at our school with a very entertaining and informative program. But this year, as we are in a worldwide pandemic, we have to memorialize our patriotism in a different way. Now, girls of class 9th A are going to show their country pride in a virtual manner. In this video, you will find each girl student show her love and respect for the country in her own unique way. Thank you and hope you enjoy.
Firstly, we present P. Kumara Vaishnavi starting us off with a patriotic song.
है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, मैं गीत वहाँ के गाता हूँ। भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ। है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, हो हो
Vaishnavi for that melodious song. Next, we have gallery of some of the posters done by few students.
Independence Day is celebrated annually on 15th August as India got independence from the British rule. British ruled our India for almost 200 years. India completes 75 years of its independence. The theme of 75th Independence Day this year is Nation First, Always First. According to my poster, the bird which is flying in the air represents the Indians and the cage was placed by the British rule. The writing which is on my poster represents the national anthem of the country. The saffron color represents the strength and courage of the country. The Ashoka Chakra represents one principle of life and also 24 hours in a day. The green color represents growth, harmony, freshness, safety, fertility and environment. At last, I would like to say that I am proud to be an Indian. Thank you.
India is very diverse country with many cultures. One of the famous practices in the Hindu culture is Rangoli. Rangoli is very beautiful and colorful art form of India. Using that art form as an inspiration, I drew the India flag using my talent of drawing mandalas. It shows the beauty of India in a very artistic and patriotic way.
Let your heart bask in free spirit. Let your soul soar high with the essence of freedom. Freedom is never dear at any price. It is the breath of life. What would a man not pay for living? Happy Independence Day.
India is a democratic and a secular country. It has various languages and religions. There is no difference between religions. All are equal.
India is well remembered by traveling foreign tourists for her beautiful cultures and delicious mouth-watering food. It is no surprise that we have various dishes from sweets to snacks, all using different ingredients in India. So, in the inspiration of that, my classmate P. Ushaswini has used different dried lentils to create a glorious Indian flag.
Namaste to one and all. Wishing you a very happy and safe 75th Independence Day. Here is a portrait of brave ruler Chhatrapati Shivaji, and it gives me immense pleasure in remembering Shivaji Maharaj and few interesting facts. Chhatrapati Shivaji was one of the bravest and most progressive and sensible rulers of India. Known as the father of Indian Navy, Shivaji was the first to realize the importance of having a naval force, and therefore he strategically established a navy and forts at coastal line to define the Konkan side of Maharashtra. Contrary to popular belief, Shivaji was not named after Lord Shiva. In fact, he was named after the regional goddess Shivai. Shivaji was a dependable supporter of women and their honor. He opposed all kinds of violence, harassments, and dishonor against women. He knew the importance of good army and his skills. Expanded his father's 2,000 soldier army to 10,000 soldiers. Shivaji established a royal name for himself in history with his administrative skills by upholding the Swarajya values and the Maratha heritage. Jai Hind.
Those surely were some beautiful and eye-catching posters done by my classmates. Next, we present an energetic dance performance performed by Sri Nitya Sri.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले
That was quite the dance performance. Thank you, Nitya. Next, we have a small video done by N. Harshita.
On this Independence Day, we remember the years of past. We honor this very day, for our flag, old glory, has last. On 15 August 1947, we declared our independence for justice and liberty. Let us celebrate with joy and honesty. Happy Independence Day.
Thank you, Harshita, for that informative video. Next, we present a PowerPoint presentation featuring some of the brave Indian women freedom fighters. Indian women freedom fighters. Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi. Lakshmi Bai, the Rani of Jhansi, was the Maharani consort of the Maratha princely state of Jhansi from 1843 to 1853 as the wife of Maharaja Gangadhar Rao. She was one of the leading figures of the Indian Rebellion of 1857 and became a symbol of resistance to the British Raj for Indian nationalists. Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was an Indian politician, activist, and a poet. A proponent of civil rights, women's emancipation, and anti-imperialist ideas, she was an important figure in India's struggle for independence from a colonial rule. Rani Velu Nachiyar. Rani Velu Nachiyar was the queen of Sivaganga estate from 1780 to 1790. She was the first Indian queen to wage war with the East India Company of India. She was known by Tamils as Veeram Mangai. Next, we have an article by Y. Avanti.
India became independent on 15th August 1947 and many of the lives were sacrificed. Jawaharlal Nehru, who has spent most of the time in the British prisoners while fighting against British empires. Later, he became the first Prime Minister of India and raised the three-color Indian flag in the Red Fort, Delhi at 12 pm. Independence Day began in the year 1947 and still continued. He called at the moment Tryst with Destiny. From then, August 15 celebrated as Independence Day. The main festival is celebrated in Delhi. The Indian Prime Minister raises three-color early in the morning in Red Fort.
ఒక్కరోజు గుండె మీద జెండా పెట్టుకోవడం కాదు, చచ్చేదాకా దేశాన్ని ధర్మాన్ని గుండెలో పెట్టుకోవాలి. స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. హ్యాపీ 75th Independence Day.
Thank you, Avanti, for the informational article. Next, I present a video done by myself, K. Shrita, to honor many important people in our lives. Farmers. Farmers are one of the most important people in India. Even a day without farmers, many activities would stop. We as humans need nutritious food to thrive and work, as food provides us energy. And without farmers harvesting crops and vegetables, we wouldn't be able to last very long. So thank you to all the farmers. Doctors, especially now as we're in a worldwide pandemic, are major assets to the country. They risk their lives in order to save ours. They help and save our health when we are in need. Thank you to all the doctors and medical staffs who save us and protect our health. Army soldiers. Soldiers protect our country without the differentiation of day or night, weekday or weekend, immense heat or blood freezing cold. They leave their families so that we can stay safely with ours. Many soldiers have sacrificed their lives in order to save our country from danger and death. Salute to all the soldiers who risk their lives out there away from their families and those who have heroically passed away. Teachers educate generation after generation of India. Without a teacher, India would not be an educated and thriving country. Every great personality had a great teacher or a mentor to look up to. So thank you to all the teachers who educate us and strive us to make us better people. As we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day, I wanted to create a look using my talent of makeup relating to the celebration. As the 75th year of celebration is known as a diamond celebration, I have used diamond-shaped stickers surrounded by the Indian flag colors, and I've put the stickers in the shape of our country. On the other side, I have put circle diamond stickers in the shape of a flag surrounded by our flag colors.